thank you for connecting with me via this video. Today we learn about some keyboard shortcuts for Google Chrome. Do you know more than 2.94 billion people across the globe use Google Chrome, and you plus me are one out of them. So let's get started and enjoy the video with the very first key, which is Control plus page down. Control is located at the bottom left hand side of the keyboard, and there is one key in the middle of the keyboard, and the page down key is generally located at the top right corner of the keyboard where the numbers are written. So numbers are numerical keypad because different laptops and desktops have different set of keys. For example, a 14-inch laptop would not have a dedicated keypad like a normal keyboard which comes standard with a desktop computer. So depending upon the screen size or the kind of system you're using, you find your keys and then start using it. I'm telling you according to my screen. So starting from the first key, which is Control plus page down, you press both the keys together. That will keep you to the next tab, Control plus page down. So you saw previously I had the YouTube channel open. Now it is opening the website, and when you press again, it will open to the next tab. Going forward, the next tab. What if you have to go back? If you have to go back, you have to press Control plus page up, which is again the next shortcut in the list. Press Control page up to go back. So these are Control page up and Control page down. You press these two keys together. So that's how it works. The next key in the list is Control plus W. For example, if you want to close a window, let's say you want to close this YouTube channel itself, you simply press Control W. It will just close one particular window or one tab. This key also works in other tabs also. Like I want to close this, Control plus W, it will close. What if I want to open these tabs again? One thing is to do, I can simply click here and type something, or the YouTube channel or anything that I opened previously, and the other option that I have is using a key, which is Control plus Shift plus T. Control plus Shift plus T will get me the website, and again Control plus Shift plus T would get me YouTube channel. So if I have closed a tab by mistake or a window by mistake, Control plus Shift plus T will give it back. Okay, the next key in the list is, this is also the last key in the list, is Control plus Shift plus N. What does the key do? The key opens Control plus Shift plus N opens Google Chrome in incognito mode. What is incognito mode? Incognito mode is a private window which you use to access your personal data. Let's see how it is. Control plus Shift plus N is incognito mode. In this particular window, you can also control the third-party cookies very easily. It is available on the front page. You can switch it on or switch it off like this, and all the data that you store here will be safe. So if you have to do private browsing, then this is the best way. This is the best place where you can use things privately. It will not store your data, or you can reset the settings for that matter. And in case you want to open a new window, you simply press Control N. This will open another Chrome window for you. So that is it for today. Thank you guys for watching, and please do subscribe. Thank you.